Elon Musk's long life story. Elon Musk was born on June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, South Africa. His mother's name is May Musk. May is a dietitian and also a model. His father, Elon Musk, is an engineer. Elon was a very smart and curious child during his childhood. He wanted to learn everything. He loved reading books. He enjoyed science fiction, adventure books, and encyclopedias. He especially liked books about space. When Elon was 10 years old, he got a computer. This computer was an old model, but Elon loved it. He spent hours working on it. He wanted to learn computer programming. He read books and taught himself programming. At the age of 12, he created a video game called Blaster. Elon sold the game to a computer magazine and earned $500. There were some problems in Elon's family. His parents divorced, and Elon started living with his father. However, living with his father was a tough experience. His father was a strict man. Elon had a difficult childhood. He also had hard times at school. Other children often bullied him. One day, some kids attacked him at school. Elon was injured and had to go to the hospital. At the age of 17, Elon decided to leave South Africa. He wanted more opportunities and didn't want to live in South Africa anymore. He moved to Canada because his mother was Canadian. It was easier to get Canadian citizenship. In 1989, he moved to Canada and started studying at Queen's University. He studied at Queen's University for 2 years and then moved to the United States. America was the country of his dreams. He believed there were bigger opportunities there. Elon transferred to the University of Pennsylvania. He studied economics and physics and earned 2 degrees, one in each field. After graduating from university in 1995, Elon moved to Silicon Valley. He wanted to work in the technology industry. Together with his brother, Kimball, he started a company called Zip2. This company made maps and business directories. The purpose of the company was to help small businesses find a place on the Internet. At that time, the Internet was very new. People were just starting to discover it. Zip2 became successful. In 1999, Elon sold the company for $307 million. Elon earned $22 million from this sale. This was a big start for him. After Zip2, Elon didn't stop. He immediately started a new company called X.com. X.com offered online banking services. People could use it to send and receive money. Later, X.com merged with another company. After the merger, the company was renamed PayPal. PayPal became a very successful company. Sending money online became much easier. In 2002, Elon sold PayPal to eBay. He earned $1.5 billion from this sale. Elon was now very wealthy. However, being rich was not his only goal. He had bigger dreams. Elon was very interested in space. The science fiction books he read during his childhood had influenced him. He wanted to go to Mars and build a colony there. For this reason, in 2002, he founded a company called SpaceX. SpaceX built rockets for space exploration. Elon's goal was to make space travel cheaper and easier. At the beginning, SpaceX had a lot of difficulties. The first 3 rocket launch attempts failed. Elon spent a lot of money on the company. He was almost about to lose all his money. However, in 2008, the 4th attempt was successful. SpaceX made a big contract with NASA, which saved the company. In 2012, SpaceX became the first private company to send cargo to the International Space Station, ISS. This was a huge success. Elon's dreams were starting to come true. After SpaceX, Elon focused on another project. He wanted to make electric cars. He believed fossil fuels were harmful to the environment. In 2004, he joined Tesla Motors. Tesla was working on producing electric cars. The first Tesla car was the Roadster. This car was an electric sports car. Later, Tesla produced cars like the Model S, Model X, Model 3, and Model Y. Tesla not only produces cars but also makes solar panels and energy storage systems. Elon has also worked on other projects. For example, with the Boring Company, he plans to create fast tunnels to reduce traffic. He also started a company called Neuralink. Neuralink is working on connecting the human brain to computers. Another company of his, OpenAI, focuses on artificial intelligence technologies. Elon's personal life is also interesting. He has been married and divorced several times. He has 5 children from his first marriage. Elon is a very hard-working person. He usually works 80 to 100 hours a week. He is also an inspiring speaker. He encourages people to think big. Elon Musk is one of the most famous entrepreneurs in the modern world. He aims to change the world using technology. With projects in space travel, electric cars, artificial intelligence, and energy, he wants to build a better future for humanity. Elon is a person who never gives up, thinks big, and always pursues innovation.